No, you know, every now and then, the Maverick find a big argument that nobody can counter, or a big question that nobody can answer. And we find another one, we have beat them like a cat o' nine. So Cristiano Ronaldo left Real Madrid at the end of last season, and Real Madrid has been struggling. Them just fire all them coach. Now Lionel Messi, on the other hand, is still a Barcelona player, but is injured and missed Barcelona's sparkling away win in the Champions League and a big 5-1 win in the El Clasico against the same Real Madrid. So using the recent performances and results, including the El Clasico, the big question that have the Messi fans running like fugitives is which one of the two Spanish giants missed their superstar player of the last decade? Messi for Barcelona or Ronaldo for Real Madrid? Which one of them struggling more without their marquee superstar? The Messi fan club continue to run from the question, because if they answer it honestly, they would admit that Barcelona is playing brilliantly without Messi, while Real Madrid is struggling badly without CR7 right now. Those are not opinions, those are facts. And implicit in that fact is that it was Ronaldo carrying Real Madrid, while Barcelona was carrying Messi. But as we said, when I asked the question, which team is struggling more right now? Madrid without CR7 or Barcelona without Messi? When I asked that killer question, all I hear is silence. Silence. Oh, the creatures of the night.